Okay, it turns out it's not as simple as what you might think, or at least I thought. So I started trying to mix different stones, and it seemed like they didn't work together. Or it was just too of a, it wasn't, it didn't give me the right feeling. So I stuck with one stone, the quartzite, and I tried the picture up in the further corner, and it just didn't, it didn't feel as good. So I moved it down more towards this, more into the center. And the stone I thought was just cooler if I could go with diamond. I tend to do that anyway, so no surprise there. So to me, this seems like it's balanced. Um, I think this will work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this out of my way, move this stuff in the other room, and I'm going to focus on filling this in with wood. Um, Maybe some more diamonds, maybe some strips, and bring them out at different distances so the rectangle goes away. And I think it's going to work. I'm not ready to start putting them on yet, but to me this gives me a good feel, and I think the coloring works. Now it does. I did try the other picture. Let me grab it. And I think that also works. So I'm tempted to go with this one, but gosh, I like this one too, though. Okay, so either way, they're the same size. I can switch. I can change it out later, but at least I can. I may even cut a piece this size so that when I'm cutting, I'm not getting dust on my oil painting. They are dry, but there's no sense of getting dirt on or dust on them. Okay, so I think this is going to be the layout I'm going to go with, and start filling it in with different types of wood because that's going to add a lot to it. You start adding some cherry, some black walnut, maybe some other types of wood in here. It's going to give it a lot more color. And right now, these are all 3/4 inch. I have some stuff that's 1 1/4, an inch, and 7/8. So I want to start getting more different layers or different heights going on this too. So that'll also give it an effect. Yeah, that would be. Yeah, I think one painting's enough. Okay, let's get the music back on, clear up our space, and start cutting some pieces.